In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stylize a PDF with Adobe Acrobat and Adobe Express. If you've got a plain document that needs a visual boost, this simple workflow will help you give it a polished, professional look without rebuilding anything from scratch. We'll start in Adobe Acrobat, move into the built-in styling option, and let Adobe Express apply a design theme to your existing pages. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat and loading the PDF you want to improve. Make sure you can see your entire document, especially if it has multiple pages, so you'll notice how the styling affects headings, text blocks, and images. Having the latest version of Acrobat helps, and you'll want a stable internet connection since the styling feature connects to Adobe Express. Next, click Edit. Depending on your layout, you might see Edit in the toolbar or in the Tools panel. This puts Acrobat into an editing context and reveals options related to adjusting your content. Don't worry, you're not changing the text manually here. You're just getting to the place where the styling tool lives. Now choose Stylize this PDF. This is the key action that hands your document off to Adobe's design engine. Acrobat will prepare your file and connect you to Adobe Express. This is normal and usually quick, and it allows you to apply professionally designed looks to your existing content. If a prompt appears, just follow the on-screen guidance to continue. You'll be redirected to Adobe Express, where your PDF opens with styling options. Here, click Theme. Themes are curated combinations of fonts, colors, and layout accents that instantly transform the tone of your document. Think of them as design presets that keep things consistent across all pages. Browse the available themes and select the one you want to have in your PDF. As you explore, consider the purpose of your document. A clean, minimalist theme often suits business reports, while a bold, colorful option can add energy to brochures or event handouts. Look at headings, subheadings, and any callouts to make sure the theme enhances readability. If your PDF includes charts or images, glance through a few pages to see how the styling frames those elements. When you click a theme, Express applies it across the document so you can immediately gauge the overall effect. That's all you need to do to stylize your PDF using Acrobat and Adobe Express. By opening your file, entering Edit, choosing Stylize this PDF, moving into Adobe Express, and picking a theme, you can transform a plain document into something eye-catching and cohesive in just a few clicks.